How to share tweets on Facebook. In this video, I'm going to guide you through on how you can easily share your favorite tweets on your Facebook account. First thing you want to do is launch your X or Twitter and find the tweet you want to share. You can just go to your search bar and search for tweets, but I'm just going to share this feed right here from Elon Musk. Now I'm just going to tap on this little share icon at the right side of the post. You can see different options here. So you can share it to WhatsApp, your Instagram messages, your Messenger, your Line, Telegram, everything. So in order to share it to Facebook, you can either share it to your newsfeed or your Facebook groups. I'm just going to share it on my newsfeed. So I'm going to just tap right here. It will directly open my Facebook and share it to my feed. So if I choose on this drop down, I can share it to any of my friends' timeline or their profile. Now here it will directly embed this X or this Twitter post link. Now if I tap on next and tap on share, it will share this tweet on my Facebook. So in order to check, I'm just going to go to my Facebook right here to my profile. And if I just open my profile right here, as you can see, the post now has been shared to my Facebook feed. And that's how you can share tweets on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.